Vitae is the first company to bring affordable automation compounding to pharmacies. Using 3D printing technology, our AutoCompounder allows you to compound gummies, troches, suppositories, and oil capsules with one affordable machine. Save time, increase productivity, and guarantee consistency and quality while the AutoCompounder creates each personalized dose for you. Let's walk you through a few key aspects of the system before we show you the AutoCompounder in action. The footprint of the system is a compact 16 inches by 18 inches, so it comfortably sits on a countertop. The extruder is where you load the cartridge filled with the compounded formula you're ready to print. The extruder is heated so your loaded formula won't solidify. You can fill up to 3 additional cartridges and store them in the heated bay on the side of the device. Once your master formula is ready and loaded into an AutoCompounder cartridge, the only other thing you need are molds to load into an AutoCompounder tray, which is simply placed onto the printer bed. Our easy interchangeable trays and self-contained cartridges allow you to rapidly switch from compounding troches and gummies to suppositories and oil capsules. Trays are currently available for over a dozen different popular molds and patient packaging, and we can create trays to support new or custom molds upon request. Operating the AutoCompounder is easily done from Vitae software, which runs on your compounding lab computer alongside your other programs and pharmacy software. Let's get printing. The first step to automate your non-sterile compound production is setting your batch to print in the AutoCompounder app. With hundreds of click-to-print pre-programmed formulas, setting up a batch is as simple as choosing your mold and formula from a list. For this demo, we're compounding progesterone 200 mg troches made with a PEG troche base in the popular 1 gram 30 cavity troche mold. As you complete this form, the software loads the correct print settings and computes the precise dispense mass for each dose, so compounding a different strength can now be done at the click of a button. Just change the strength here to the prescribed dose and the AutoCompounder will fill the appropriate amount for each dose using the same formula. Let's go ahead and print one full tray of 90 troches, which is estimated to take 4 minutes. Now the system will heat to the appropriate temperature for your chosen formula, 70 degrees Celsius for the progesterone troche we're about to show you. While the system heats, let's prepare a 200 mg progesterone troche cartridge for printing this batch. Preparing a cartridge for AutoCompounding takes less than 30 seconds. Remove the plunger, then attach a tip cap. Pour the formula into the cartridge. This cartridge can hold just over 100 cc of material. So with the 3 cartridge bay, you can load over 400 ml of formula at a time. That's enough to make over 400 troches or over 200 suppositories. Now that I've filled the cartridge, I can insert the plunger, then invert and expel the air. I can reattach the tip cap and store it in the bay if I'm not ready to print the final doses yet. Or I can attach a tip and insert into the extruder to start producing troches. Once the prepared cartridge is in the extruder and the tray with molds is inserted, simply attach the piston, then click to start printing from the app. Now you can walk away and work on something else while your compound is completed. Cartridges are self-contained, so there's no risk of cross-contamination, and there's literally no cleanup. You simply remove and discard the empty cartridges. The AutoCompounder eliminates time-consuming finishing processes by filling each cavity individually with the exact dose, no overfilling and scraping. Consistency from user to user means overall improved quality of your compounded prescriptions. The addition of Vitae's AutoCompounder to your compounding team is an effective and affordable approach to enhance lab workflow and productivity, liberate staff from the tedium, and watch your compounding output grow.